Hi, it's time for trucks. Today I'm above the M5 near Highbridge. Let's see what trucks we can spot. Plant speed. The Wayne Scania. A wind. Oh, Jennings, thanks for sending the gift. Hey! What's that coming the other way? That's a beautiful looking truck. I had to get a few snaps of that one, that was lovely. Nice looking recovery truck. Scania V8, thanks for following. Look at that coming in the middle lane. What is that? That's looking like a nice, lovely looking thing. Hey, we got a flash. Treasure chest, yes. I don't think I got that one quite right, that picture. We tried hard. That was a nice picture. It's trying to get the background as well, you know. Jennings, look at you, you're smashing it. 65 roses. Woohoo! That was a nice KRG and a nice staff car. Beautiful. When the photo loads, we'll see how bad it was. You're middle lane in it? Yes, mate. That was a Kane's farm. Woohoo! Aha, aha. Hey, there he is. I mean, I got a couple of pictures of you. Whether or not they actually turn out half decent, that's the next thing. Oh, that's a big old truck, son. Oh, is that a Wayne's? It was a Wayne's. It was an Evans truck. Not a bad picture. Not the best day for pictures, if I'm honest with you. Toot toot. That was an M-Way. That was a removals truck. That's nice. It's a cattle float. Hey. Toot toot. Oh, look at this coming down with all the lights on it. Can you see that? What is it? It looks like a Scania, but what kind of Scania? Oh, that was a C&L haulage. That looks smart. There's another smart truck here. What's this? Is that a KRG? Oh, it's not a KRG, but I quite like the underglow on the front of it. That looked nice.